Just about an hour and a half, the outreach workers at Matthew 25 Ministries are going to head towards some of the hard-hit areas of Kentucky. After last week's devastating, deadly flooding, at least 14 people died. Some neighborhoods still have water receding right now. We've got Allie Kramer looking into some of the many ways that people are helping, including from Matthew 25 Ministries.
Yeah, and Matthew 25 usually assembles very quickly. They get their disaster response fleet out there. I mean, because you're looking at homes that had water. I mean, some of them up to the roof, and then caught people off guard, losing everything. So donations to their Blue Ash facility are going there today, and some of these areas are just 3 hours from here. So these really are the neighbors. The catastrophic flooding from February 15th and 16th sent those rivers and streams pouring into neighborhoods. Thousands losing everything. Matthew 25 is going to be leaving at 8 o'clock this morning. They're equipped with personal care items, cleaning supplies, baby essentials, and food and water to help people survive. They're asking that the community continues to donate items because they will continue to send truckloads of aid. We also heard from Smoking This and That Barbecue down in Florence off the Mount Zion exit. They posted on Facebook that they have connected with somebody in that disaster area, and they are going to be hosting a donation drive, Operation Fill the Truck. Smoking This and That Barbecue says that they have 2 trailers that they're going to send down. The first one is going to go on Sunday. They're looking for bath towels, sleeping bags, coats, food, hygiene products, and then they'll be able to send even more. So if you can't get there by Sunday, it's okay. They're going to kind of hopefully try to make 2 rounds of this. And then Mike's Garage in Burlington, they're also collecting cases of water, and they're even saying that they're going to give discounts on work if you need it. Of course, a lot of people won't, but a lot of different ways to donate, and we've got all of those on our website, WCPO.com.
Yeah, great to see that list, a growing one. Unfortunate that the need is there, but glad that a lot of people are stepping in to help. Allie, thanks so much.